Hey everyone, I'm Mehzabin Mowshi here, and today it's gonna be an English interesting and requested video. Why? Because many people request me in this topics, and one person requested me. This is the two comments over here, and I'm also willing to help people, so I decided to make a playlist of a video. And if you're new here, then I'm gonna sure know that you have to check the playlist until this is my first video with this playlist. And this is the beginner level stage. And yep, so without waiting, and before that, I want to tell you this is part 1, which I mean it's beginner level English and how to start like a beginner. Then we're gonna go to intermediate, upper intermediate, advanced, and upper advanced. So without wasting time, let's cut to the chase and start the video. Let's go. Okay, so as a beginner, many people take it too confusedly. I'm so afraid I don't need to start. But this beginner stage is a golden time, and I have to practice a lot in that. But it's too easy. But as well as intermediate to going advanced, it's not that easy. I felt that. But from beginner to intermediate, it's quite easy. So I'm going to show you the study tricks that you have to do as a beginner. Then share in the comment down below that what's your English level. And now if you jump into the intermediate level, then everyone comments. I'm gonna give a poll that which level are you in. Then from the level I choose, I'll make a video on it. Okay, so as well as these people comment in my videos, you should also, because I don't know expectation from me that you want me to help you. So I'll be willing to help you because this is a platform to help and share. Okay, so yep, let's cut to the chase. And yep, the first number I want you to do is you don't need to speak. What I don't need to speak while I'm learning English. Just come on, just listen. I want you to listen for 6 months or even like 10 months. I want you to listen properly and absorb English content. And in this situation, number 2, what you're gonna do is change your settings into English. Change your settings into English. Why? After change your mobile settings into English, you have to watch only YouTube videos in English and have to do your daily tasks in English. Even if your surroundings don't want you to speak English, you have to change your settings. You have to settings and you have to change your mind in English. Convert your mind what you like to do. And of course, just listen. I don't want you to speak. If you speak, it's good. But I just want you to listen without anything, without doing anything. Then the third number I want you to do is give a silent place if you're not comfortable with yourself. And you have to, what you have to do is just read a page aloud. If you cannot pronounce the word, just Google it down and write it down how you pronounce it. It's very simple. And the 4 point is very useful. I suggest you, it's very useful. And even me, I use that. Content writing. When you're gonna read something, then you're gonna write it in basic sentences. Like I'm gonna write about flower, I'm gonna write about fruit, I'm gonna write about many things, about my surroundings I'm gonna write about. Then the fifth number, what I have to do is break the fear. I like to break the fear. Then what do? You have to just fix up your camera and speak about that topic in basic sentences. Remember, you're seeing yourself. It's not a big deal. Then you have to record this and track your progress so you're learning. Then if you want to know many vocabularies and you could do conversation, you can interact with many random topics, you can do conversation easily, and if you can do your daily tasks properly and even some advanced words, then you're ready to go to intermediate level. And I think it's gonna be a short, kind of like very short, but I just want you to use the study tricks as a beginner. I don't want to make this video long. I just want you to remember my words that Mowshi tell me this and this. And make sure you subscribe my channel for more and for the playlist, of course. And comment down below what's your English level. And as I heard in my previous video, I shared that winner, but I don't get any comments that start with using this sentence. I will announce that winner if I'm willing to. It's probably good, but no one comment. It's no deal. And yep, so share with your family and friends to build up a little competition with them. Then which level are you are then? But especially for me, I don't have any target. But I just want you to break it down. If they have any target, then how I started, I just flash back my memory. So have a great day. Bye. See you later.